This is desert, a desert town somewhere in Rajasthan, and I am going somewhere for some hiking trip. Let's see. Let me show you cotton. So this is the cotton they picked from the farms. Later on I will show you the farm. It is raw. There are seeds in it. Later on they will process it and the seeds will be removed. There are seeds inside it. This is early morning and I am hiking to this farm. It is a cotton farm, as you can see. I will show you later on. I will climb over that sand dune over there and show you some view from there. Is it too dark right now? Let me show you. This is cotton farm. So we will walk through this. It is really nice. I just hope there are no snakes or these kind of things, because it is too dense and I am not wearing any shoes. I just hope there are no snakes here. It is really nice to walk through this. There are clouds right now, so it is dark, because usually this time it is not like this. It is very bright. We will get a good view once we get on top of that sand dunes or sand dune over there. This particular place used to be there were a lot of sand dunes here, but then they flattened the sand dunes and they started growing crops here, because there is a canal here. So long time back there was no water, so there were only sand dunes, but now they have water, so they flatten the sand dune. Sometimes they grow rice because they have enough water. Cotton is also a regular cash crop here. All this is hybrid cotton. It's not the traditional cotton. Nobody grows the traditional cottons here now. So we have another obstacle here. We have to cross these barbed wires. Let's try. We can do this. You have to be little acrobatic to get through these obstacles, you know. Now we have like open ground, so it is safe to walk here. Can you hear the sound of birds crop here? These are some kind of millet. See. So there are clouds right now, and right now like around this time for the crops to ripe, so the farmers don't need rain right now, because the rain will ruin the plants. So it is not very good thing to have clouds, and I think there are no clouds now, because earlier there were clouds, now they are gone. So it's a good thing. Yes, but it was raining last night. Little bit rain. So now all this is grass. Why am I wearing shoes? I don't know. I should be wearing them. Let's climb the sand dunes. Once we go up there, the view will be nice, as I said earlier. This is the sand dune I was talking about. Now we have the bigger one also over there. We will climb that also. I walked through those crops. They were very dense. So my camera must be shaking too much. The view is really nice from here and it is very quiet. There are not many houses. It is like a valley. There are sand dunes over there and in the middle there are farms. Let me show you. That is the top, the biggest sand dune I think. And these are farms. Earlier they were sand dunes. Really nice. And this is the sand I'm walking on, because it was raining yesterday, so it is like this. Let's climb the other one. All these ants are like walking here because it is morning time, so the sand is not very hot. That's why they are doing their work. Once it will be the sun is up, then it will get hot and those ants will take a rest, I guess, because it gets hot here in the day. The canal system is really organized here. If I get the chance, I will go to the canal and I will show you how the canal is built and how each farmer use the canal water for certain amount of time, and for that time they have to pay. It's like that. So the canal system was made by the government, and all these farmers, I think they pay for the time they use the water of the canal, something like that. I'm not clear. I will have conversation with the farmer and I will let you know. So we are almost up there, so let's keep moving. There are a lot of foot marks of cattle here. Maybe there are cattle here, cows and all these animals, they walk here. That cattle foot marks. These are some kind of flowers. They looks really pretty. Photo time. Nice. I think I got the thumbnail. I think we can see sunrise and sunset here. There are a lot of tracks here. Which one should we choose? Should we choose the one which is less traveled, or the one which is most traveled? It doesn't matter. If you reach the destination, it doesn't matter. We reached at the top. Yes. There are other sand dunes here. There are also some others. I think that's bigger one. We will go there. So this is the view. So now I am walking to the next sand dune because I really like walking here. It is, the weather is really nice. I have not many thoughts right now. It is nice to walk like this. See, there is a dry sand here. I don't have cam stand for the camera, so I can't put it somewhere and go. Maybe I will do some exercise here, maybe, because I'm feeling like it. Okay, let's go to the next end. Feels good to walk barefoot here. These are cattle foot marks, maybe goats. There are also some wild deers here. So we reached on top of another sand dune, and there is a sunrise over there. I guess I was right when I said that we can see a nice sunrise or sunset from here. Observe. I don't know what the perfect word, but there is the sunrise. The weather is really nice, and I think I am getting some kind of motivation to write a poetry. Something like: sun rises in the east, sets in the west. Thought rises in the brain, rests in the chest. Way. So I will sit here for a while and soak in the nature. Let me show you the view from here because it's really nice. There are very few houses here. These sand dunes divide the villages, no, they mark the boundaries of the villages. Some other villages beyond the sand dunes, something like that. There is a one road that passes through in between this area. Oh, am I yawning? Am I not? This is it. I think I gave all the information I have. Now I will sit here. I will sit here and I will see the sunrise. There are no clouds in the sky right now because all the clouds went there. They were on the top right yesterday, and the thing is now no farmer wants rainfall because it's not good for the crop, because they want to harvest the crop, and once the water gets on the crop, it ruins the crop. I don't know how, but it does. Let's hope there is no rain. Light rain is okay, heavy rain will make the difference. I hope I am audible. Sun is about to rise. Sunrise is good. Feels really nice. Oh, I think it's a nice thumbnail. That's my shadow. Because of the sun, the sand is glowing. Soon the sun will raise the temperature everywhere. It is quite nice right now. It's the weather is cool, but as the sun is rising, it is getting hot. I can feel the warmth of the sun, and I think it's the sun is almost visible now. I think in the day it will be hot. Yesterday it was raining, so it was cold. I thought it may be cold here right now, but the people said it is hot. The winter season is like from November, after 15th November maybe it will get colder here. It gets really cold here, maybe around 1 degree or 2 degree centigrade Celsius. Let's see. So this is how they check the rain, like how much rain it was. Let's see the dry. Okay, so this is the dry, right? This is the dry, this is the wet. So this much rain it was. So they flatten the sand dune, then they put the clay from there is a river here, so the river flows occasionally, so the people take the clay from there and they put it over the sand, and then they start farming. I am just guessing everything, I am not a professional here, so do not accuse me of spreading lies, because I am just doing the guesswork. So there was a way, I couldn't find it in the morning. I should have used this one, because there were chances of encountering a snake or something like that in the morning. I should be aware of that. I came down from the sand dune. Now going down, this is some kind of farm here. I don't know what they are growing, but it is nice. Oh, there are so many fruits. These things are bitter, So they are used like when you know kids suck their thumb, they put this thing on their thumb, and the thumb is bitter, so the kid stop sucking the thumb. There are flowers, some kind of flowers here. Let's see. There are clouds and there is sun. I think there will be, the clouds are gathering. Maybe there will be some rain later on. But right now it is getting warmer now. Let's get back and eat something